If you want your WooCommerce products to show up on Google Shopping, Google Search, and even YouTube without spending a single dollar on ads, this video will walk you through the exact setup you need. I'll show you how to connect your store to Google Merchant Center, generate a product feed, and sync everything automatically so your products stay updated in real time. And don't worry, even though it sounds technical, it's actually a simple step-by-step process. By the end of this video, your products will be eligible to appear across Google's shopping surfaces, completely for free. First, make sure your WooCommerce store is set up properly. Your product should have correct titles, prices, images, and descriptions because Google will pull this information directly from your site. Next, open merchants.google.com and sign up for a free Merchant Center account. When asked if you sell products online, select Yes, enter your website URL. If you don't have a physical store, select No for the retail location. Continue through the prompts until you reach the Merchant Center dashboard. Fill in your store name, business address, and basic details. For this demo, the store name is GymFit. Google now needs to verify ownership of your website. In the Merchant Center dashboard, select Connect your online store and choose WordPress or WooCommerce. Google will give you a small HTML verification code. Copy it. Now switch to your WordPress dashboard. Install a free plugin called WP Code. After activation, open Code Snippets and select Header and Footer. Paste the Google verification code inside the header section and save your changes. Return to Merchant Center and click Verify. You should now see a green check mark that confirms the site is verified. Next, Merchant Center will ask for shipping settings. Choose the countries where your store delivers products. For example, if your store only ships within the United States, select United States as your target region and save. Now we need to create a product feed. This feed sends your WooCommerce product data to Google automatically. Go back to WordPress and install a plugin called Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce. Activate it, then open the plugin, Settings, and click Create Feed. Give the feed a name such as Google Shopping Feed. Select Google Shopping as the platform, choose XML as the file format, and the plugin will automatically fill in product mappings like title, description, images, price, stock, and link. Review the mappings and then click Publish. This will generate a product feed URL. Copy this URL and return to Google Merchant Center. Paste the feed URL you copied earlier. Set the fetch schedule to daily and save the feed. Google will now automatically pull your WooCommerce products into Merchant Center. After the first fetch completes, open the Products tab in the Merchant Center. You'll see all your products listed. Some may show warnings or say under review or not approved. This is normal because Google checks all product details before approval. Click on any product with an issue. Merchant Center will tell you exactly what needs fixing. For example, missing images, low resolution, incorrect pricing, missing categories, or shipping details. Fix these problems in WooCommerce and the feed will update itself. You can also preview your feed inside the plugin to make sure the details look correct. Once Google finishes reviewing your products, they'll start appearing across shopping and search within a few days. If something doesn't sync or you get an error inside of Merchant Center, just comment below with the issue and I'll tell you exactly how to fix it.